This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your Apple Watch is unlocked, paired, and up to date. This avoids unexpected behavior. Once done, open the Messages app and find the conversation. If you want to remove the whole thread, swipe left and tap the trash icon. If you only need a single bubble gone, press and hold that message instead. Make that choice now so the next actions are clear. This prevents accidental deletions and keeps you moving efficiently. After you press and hold a message bubble, tap More to reveal selection controls. Then tap the small circles next to each bubble to pick one or multiple entries. This lets you remove specific content without touching the whole conversation. When your selection is ready, tap the trash icon and confirm the deletion. Note that this action removes messages on the watch itself. Make sure you understand whether your messages sync with your iPhone. To finish, swipe left on a conversation and tap the trash icon to remove an entire thread. Confirm when asked. If a deletion doesn't stick, make sure Messages sync settings on your iPhone and iCloud aren't preserving content, then restart the watch and try again. If problems persist, update watchOS, and as a last resort, unpair and repair the watch to reset message syncing. One key tip: restart first. Reboots resolve most temporary sync or UI glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.